When it comes to alarming increases in cancer rates and other chronic diseases that we see in this country, the most common place to point is at processed foods, these foods with long lists of ingredients. Now, the good thing about processed foods is that they're transparent. They print all their ingredients, including their harmful ingredients, the ones that are known to be harmful, on the label. So you can sidestep them. Once you overcome addiction or preference, it's still a transparent problem. At the same time, there's a silent problem of chemical contamination in our food, and it affects all of our food and not just the processed food. This is the chemical contaminant from the production site, the soil or the water, from the processing, from the factory, from the packaging. Think about how complex some of our food supply chains are. The food is grown somewhere, often overseas in a faraway country, and you have to wonder what the oversight is and auditing of those production sites, of those farms. Second of all, the food is processed and packaged and shipped somewhere. Along this supply line, there are numerous places where chemical contaminants leach into your food. Now, unlike when you contract a foodborne illness like Listeria or Salmonella, when you ingest small amounts of PFAS chemicals or lead or cadmium or microplastic or plastic chemical byproducts, you don't know it immediately. It doesn't become immediately apparent. It's a slow, gradual increase in your body. At some point, it weakens you, makes you ill. But at that point, you can't attribute the source because too much time has gone by and it's unclear where you got it. This is exactly why we started GroundTruth Lab, because we want to make transparent the problem of contamination in food. We're making it possible now for you to just subscribe to our catalog as we grow and we increase our open source results. Though I would recommend testing your dietary staples. We make it affordable. We make it more affordable than anywhere else. We'll provide the certified lab report in addition to a contextual view of the contamination level. So you're not just getting a report that says 50 parts per billion. We'll tell you how what you tested compares to other products in that category we've examined already. And we'll also tell you how it compares to health guidelines. This enables you to switch products if necessary, where necessary, because lowering your intake of chemical contaminants is extremely important for your health over the long term.